Want to sell on Fiverr without risking your account? Getting banned can happen fast if you break the rules. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to avoid getting banned so you can keep growing your business safely. First, never contact buyers outside Fiverr. Keep all communication and payments on the platform. Second, do not copy gigs or use fake samples. Fiverr bans plagiarized content. Third, avoid spammy behavior like begging for reviews or sending unsolicited offers. Fourth, deliver what you promise. Too many cancellations or late deliveries can get you flagged. Finally, read Fiverr's terms of service. Ignorance is not an excuse. Follow these rules and you'll stay safe. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more Fiverr tips. See you in the next one.